Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. January the 30th, 2026. KSE-100 rebounded today after yesterday's rout, but with the index still below the 10-day EMA and momentum clearly fatigued, the rally needs fresh follow-through to regain traction. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, so this is where we're at. An 1836.36 point jump for the day. But notice the narrative of the market. After breaking below two important exponential moving averages yesterday, here and here, it rebounded. And notice how it faced rejection at the 10-day exponential moving average. Came back again and closed just above the 20-day EMA, which reclaims a medium-term trend somewhat. Now let's take a look at what's happening. Volume again below average, which shows participation supportive but not decisive. RSI notice still below its average, signaling momentum fatigue versus the prior run. MACD backs that story. Still negative spread, histogram negative, shows that today's bounce has not flipped MACD. ATX still showing a pretty strong trend, of course. It is elevated, but the recent rollover over here suggests that the trend also is losing intensity. So our overall verdict for the day would be trend intact, of course, but momentum is tired. Today's rebound is constructive because the 20-day EMA held, but as long as price is below the 10-day EMA and MACD stays negative over here, upside is likely to be choppy, as we have been observing since the last week or so. Bulls, of course, want a clean reclaim of this 10-day EMA, where they faced resistance today. Failure to hold the 20-day EMA, which was held today but barely, would open the room for a deeper mean reversion move. So we are at an inflection point in the market, and the next week will be crucial. Stay tuned.